Our conditions remaining bullish in this bull market currently with a bull market rank of 26, and we're seeing some continued movement towards the upside here, momentum on the upper end of that bullish trend approaching that extreme range. It's been hovering back and forth inside of that trending zone and extreme zone, also seeing the breadth now moving up into that extreme area, and also we're seeing sentiment which has been in that extreme area and can stay there for a length of time during nice bull markets. We're seeing buy-sell ratio continuing to be bullish, sitting at a 2.03, and we'll see if we're getting bulls in charge here, but we'll see if we get some of these starting to move back together again, and any kind of slowing in that overall breadth of this current rally. We are seeing the sectors tab. Well, let's jump over here to S&P 500 because we did see a decent reversal day yesterday where we had been trading down a little bit and finding some support and then rallied back to the upside. We'll see if we get any kind of follow through on S&P 500 today. And triple Qs, which is technology, nice bounce off of that 236 momentum zone. So we have technology now back up into that momentum area. And let's take a look at Dow here, Dow Jones Industrial Average. Symbol DIA, also nice looking bottoming tail bar pattern right here, some support right at that 418 range. The sectors, let's see if we had any movement in sectors yesterday. Not a whole lot, still seeing some in holds. Healthcare has now moved back into that downtrend zone, the bulk in the overall uptrend. At this time, let's see commodities. We've been talking about copper having this nice move here, still seeing in that upper range. This is a bearish retracement, so this is a 618 versus a momentum area. Let's look at this on the 1 year time frame and see if it has moved. So 1 year time frame on copper is back up into that momentum zone. Pretty sharp move, really aggressive move from this 618 location back into momentum on ICOP, which is the ETF for copper. Gold continuing to have its historic run here. That's the 1 year time frame into the momentum zone nicely. 238 on support at the 236 location. On any kind of pullback, this area all the way back to this 236 allows us, that's kind of that playground zone to allow for some volatility and allow for a new base to establish before there is more upside to come. Let's look at silver. We've seen silver having a really nice run here too. Also pulling back to that 28, 26 level. That's that 236 location. Again, this entire zone up here is momentum. That's where we want to see the bulk of stocks, markets, commodities, whatever it is we're tracking and trading inside of this upper zone. Silver is in that level with a decent pullback. USO, on the other hand, is aggressively to the downside in bearish momentum, where you can see now we've got this large downtrend happening here, and now we're looking at these zones the other direction. So this is momentum to the downside, and USO is still in that location. It's got a lot of work to do to get back to the upside. Muscle Stocks Group, we're seeing some nice looking names in here. A couple to keep an eye on. RNA, which is got a nice confirmation bar here at the 236, increasing volume, not huge volume on that day, but some support right here. And moving back into that momentum zone. We're also seeing some construction names, TILE, which also had a nice confirmation bar and increasing volume there as well. A couple of names to consider for the day. That'll do it for today's update. Everyone have a fantastic day today.